Okay. Okay guys, welcome back. I was made aware in one of the videos I made about changing the pump seal. I forgot to show you how to put the new one in, so let me do that right quick. This is a WhisperFlow pump. It's the same in all the Pentair booster pumps. They all use the same seal, very similar to this. So got the old one out, got it cleaned up. You can see this one is pressed in here. I did end up replacing this impeller. You can see here the seal is cracked on the white part, and then on the housing itself, right there where my finger is, it's also cracked. So this thing got really hot, was leaking, so I put a new impeller on there. So we should be in good shape after this. Okay, we'll take the old seal, use a screwdriver and pry it out. And then we're going to put the new one in, the impeller. So when you take it out, the seal is going to be in two parts. You get this one. Do not touch the little black shiny part with your finger, or on this white one, don't touch the white ceramic part with your finger. So what I usually do is get the paper that comes with it. This is a nice tool here. Get that, take the seal, set it in place, and then use the paper to protect it from getting the oils off your finger on it, and then you can push it right in. You want that to be nice and even across the top, okay? That's the easy part. Set that aside. Now the other one, this metal one, you use a 1-inch coupling, just a standard 1-inch pipe coupling. Put the seal upside down in it, and then we'll use it to press it down into the pump. I get the seal, put it in there, and I get this Anderson flexible white sealer. It's great stuff. Seals up real good underwater. You can also use silicone, but I put a very small bead around the seal. Now you do not have to do this. It's actually designed to press right in, but this is just a little bit of security. And I take that and put it in there. Sometimes you can push it in by hand. Usually you have to get a hammer, like my hammer, and tap it in. Goes in real easy. Just make sure it's even all the way around. Should not be too hard to do. So anyway, that's how you put the seal in on a booster pump, or this is a regular pool pump, and we'll put it back together. So thanks for watching.